In this video, we will understand corrosion. What is corrosion? Corrosion is a natural process that causes the gradual deterioration of materials, especially metals, due to chemical reactions with their environment. It is commonly observed in metals and their alloys when they are exposed to moisture, oxygen, and other substances in the atmosphere or in their surroundings. Now let's understand why does corrosion occur? Causes of corrosion. In metal, corrosion occur due to following reason. Moisture. When metals come into contact with water or moisture, they can undergo a chemical reaction that weakens them. Water acts as a catalyst, making it easier for the metal to react with oxygen in the air. Oxygen. The oxygen in the air can combine with the metal to form metal oxides. This process is commonly known as oxidation. For example, iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide, which we often see as rust. Electrolytes. Substances such as salts, acids, and pollutants in the environment can act as electrolytes, enhancing the flow of electrical current and accelerating corrosion. Now let's understand how can we prevent corrosion in metal. Prevention of corrosion. Several methods can be employed to prevent or minimize corrosion. Barrier protection. Applying protective coatings such as paint, enamels, or plating creates a barrier between the metal surface and its environment, preventing exposure to moisture and oxygen. Cathodic protection. Cathodic protection involves connecting the metal to a sacrificial anode, such as zinc or magnesium, which corrodes preferentially, protecting the metal of interest. Alloying. Alloying metals with other elements can improve their corrosion resistance. For example, stainless steel contains chromium, which forms a passive oxide layer that prevents further corrosion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.